Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you about how can we find the square roots of decimals. It is nothing, everything is same, just like we find the square root of the simple numbers. In the same way, let us take the example, find the square root of 51.84. Find the square root of 51.84. This decimal is there. Due to this decimal, somehow difference it is. Otherwise, find the square root. Start making pair from extreme right like this. So what is it? 7 7s are 49. Then what is left? 2 is there. Then take this 84 down. And what is the double of 7? 48. 14 2s are 28. But I want to tell this thing that before getting this pair down, there is decimal. So tick this decimal on the upside. Decimal को यहाँ ले आओ और pair को नीचे ले आओ. Because this is the turn of decimal. So don't take decimal downside. Take this decimal upside on in the quotient. So put decimal here. Now 2 is there. Now 42 into 2 is 284. That is 0 remainder. Therefore, square root of 51.84 is what? 7.2, like this. These are the questions in exercise 6.3. So let us take one more example. Everything is same. Just like in previous, we use to find the square root by using long division method. So in the same way, next example is this. Find the square root of 506.25. Find the square root of 506.25. So same way, make the pair. Now 5 is left unpaired. So 2 2s are 4. Now 1 is left. When we subtract, 0 6 is getting down. Double of 2 is 4. Then 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Subtract it. We will get what? 22. Now the turn of decimal. So don't take this decimal down. No, take this decimal in quotient. Now 25. This pair is now. So what is the double of 22? 44. Now 4 5s are 20. So 5 is there and 5 is there. So this is again 2 2 2 5 and the remainder is 0. So therefore square root of 506.25 is what? 22.5. In this way we can find the square root of decimal part. Clear it is? Now let us take one more example. Find the square root of this number by using same method. So make the pair like this. So it is 9 9s are 81. What is left? 4. Take 19 down. Now 9 double is 8, 18 and 18 up to 40. 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54, 18 2s are. So what are now? 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16 and 2 1s are 2 and 1, 3, 3 64. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. Now subtract these. 9 minus 4 is 5, 11 minus 6 is 5, 55 is left. Now this decimal, put decimal here and 29 is down. So what is the double of 92? 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 184. Now 18 3s are 54. Try at 3. 3 put here, 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12, 3 8 जा 24 और 1 5, 3 1 जा 3 और 5. तो दिस इज द 0. तो देयरफॉर स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 8519.29 is equal to 92.3. Answer. This is the way to find the square root of decimal numbers. Now, question number 2 of exercise 6.3. Find the square root of 0.0009. Find, question is this, find square root of 0.0009. So solution is this, 0.0009 is equal to 9 upon, remove this decimal, put 1 against decimal and 4 zeros, like this. Find square root of this is equal to square root of this. Now take square separately, root 9, because it is a small number, short number, upon 10,000. We know directly कि square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 10,000 is 100. Again put the decimal after 2 digit, 0.03. As many zeros are there, leave as many digits. So this is the answer. Clear it is? Now look at any other, means just like the square root of the numbers which we can estimate only, that is not the actual square root, estimating square root. Now I am going to tell you about estimating square root up to 3 decimal places. Just like root 3, find the square root of under root 3. Square root of root 3 up to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places means put 3 zeros, मतलब 1 pair of 0, 2 pair of 0 and this is 3 pair of 0. जितने भी places तक चाहिए उतने pair of zeros लगा लो, because after decimal you can put as many zeros as you want. 1 1 जा 1, 2 is left, now turn off decimal. Now 2, this pair is down, this pair, first pair is down. तो what is the double of 1? 2. अब 2 की टेबल 20 तक, 2 7 जा 14, 2 8 जा 16, 2 9 जा 9 also, 2 9 जा 18, but 29 into 9, what we will get? 9 9 जा 81, 9 2 जा 18 or 8, 26. It is much more than, it is 261, but it is 200. Now try at 8, 8 8 जा 64, 8 2 is 16 or 622. This is also greater than this. So try at 7. What is left? 27 into 7 is what? 27 into 7. Multiply it. 7 7 is 49. 4 is remainder. 7 2 is 14 or 4, 18. Now subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. Again getting this 0. This pair of zeros is here. Now what is the double of 17? 34. Don't count the decimal. 7 3 3 is 9. 3 पे लेके जाओ. 3 3 is 9. 3 4 is 12. 3 3 is 9 or 110. Subtract this. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. And ठीक है. Now this pair is down. 0 0, double of 73, 173, 2 3 जा 6, 2 7 जा 14, 2 1 जा 2 और 1 3, 2 3 जा 6, 2 7 जा 14, 2 1 जा 2 और 3 46. What is the table of 3 up to 7? 3 2 जा 6, 2 पे लेके जाओ, 2 2 जा 4, 2 6 जा 12, 2 4 जा 8 और 1 9, and 2 3 जा 6. What is left? 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7. This is 0. So 10 minus 9, 176 is the remainder. So therefore under root 3 is equal to 1.732 and so on. ये आएगा आंसर up to 3 places of decimal. Correct up to 3 places of decimal. Because after decimal there are 3 digits, 732. In this way you can find root 3, root 5, root 9 like this. One question is there, find the value of under root 26, under root 9, under root 0.9 is there. Look at that also, 0.9. Up to 3 decimal places. .9 up to 3 decimal places. तो 0 जा 0. Now term of decimal like this. So now make the pair starting from 9. How can you make the pairs? Because nothing is there, only 9 is there. So put 1 0. After decimal, in the last you can write as many 0 as you want. One pair means 3 pairs. I need 3 pairs because I want to calculate the answer up to 3 decimal places. So now this pair is done, 90. What is here? Double of 0 is 0, nothing else. तो 9 9 जा 81, 0 double 0 ही होगा 81. What is left? 9. Now second pair of 0, this one, square root double of 9 is 18 and 18 5 जा 90. So should we try at 5? 185 into 5. What is it? 5 5 जा 25. 2 carry, 5 8 जा 40 or 2 42, and 5 1 जा 5 4, no, it is more than. So therefore we should try at 4. 4 4 जा 16, 4 8 जा 32 or 1 33, 4 1 जा 4 or 3 7. So what is the difference now? What is the difference? 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 3 6, and 8 minus 7 is 1, 164. Now this 0 is down. What is the double of 94? 2 4 ja 8, 2 9 ja 18. Now table of 18 up to 164. So what it should be? 18 5 ja 90, 18 6 जा 102, 18 7 जा और 18 8 जा. What is it? It should be, let me try at 18 9 जा. What is 18 9 जा? 9 8 जा 72, 9 और 1 9 और 7 16, 9. तो it should be 1889 into 9. 188 into 9 into 9. What is it? 9 9 जा 81, 9 8 जा 72 और 8 80, 9 8 जा 72 and again 89 ones are 9, 17. This is greater than this. This is 1600, 16,400. This is 17,001. So 9 is not possible. So we should take at 8. What is 8? Write 8 in here also, in the divisor and in quotient also. What is it? 8 8 is 64, 6 carry, 8 8 is 64 or 6, 70, 8 1 is 8 or 7, 15. So it should be 8 8 is one more 8 is there. So therefore, what is it? 8 8 is 64, 8 8 is 64 or 6, 70, 8 8 is 64 or 7, 71, 8 1 is 8 and 7, 15. Now this is 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 as it is 3, 2, and this one is what? 1. So this is the remainder. So up to 3 decimal places, 0.9 is equal to 0.948. In this way, you can calculate the square root of decimal numbers and square root up to estimated square root, because it is not the actual square root of 9. 9 का स्क्वायर रूट तो हो ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि वी डोंट नो कि whose square is 9, then its answer is possible. So in this way it is sufficient for today. This is the exercise 6.3 and some questions are left also. I think 2 questions are left. Up to question number 5 you complete like this. Okay, have a good day. Bye.